I fell in love with Enike. Oh yes, I did. It was not a choice, no chance. It's just that I cared so much and forgot about starting to need my own heart. I said it was okay. Believe me, I did. I thought I was indeed. Unfortunately, I was getting used to the pain. My heart and my feelings are getting bruises every day. I lost confidence day by day, and at the end of the day, so let me say that she doesn't care at all. In every crowded room, I still feel lonely. I suffer in silence. Still, I blame myself because I was the one in denial. I thought one day you will at least appreciate my love for you. My hands are starting to shake when I start to knit because I know I was once here before. I mend broken hearts and forget that I still need love to. Oh, I am a hospital. They come sick, seeking a place in my heart, and when they heal, they live like passengers. Oh, I fell in love with Nikki. I became a free road. I hate myself. I dated someone who would complain about my body, but she never had the time to compliment or show me some affection. Not a single day I've spoken about my feelings. I don't want to feel like a burden. I don't want to complain too much. They will question my manhood. Maybe my hands are slippery because I lose what I care about the most. I don't know how to love anymore. I am a burning rose. However, I tried my best. I just thought one day you will love me the way I am, not what I've become. I find beauty in talking because it is never the truth if it is swallowed easy.